My name is Victoria O'Neill. Today I will be presenting on climate change and mainly stating my argument that it is an issue rooted in unknowing. To best see this, I took to my community and I questioned two individuals about their knowledge mainly regarding and surrounding climate change. I'll play that video for you now.
How much plastic do you think is in the ocean?
Like, in what
Tons.
tons? I would say like 100,000 tons.
Okay. What do you think?
5 million.
It's 11 million.
11
damn.
million?
Mm-hmm.
I had high hopes that it wasn't that bad.
Okay.
It's 11 million, really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
What?
Okay, next one. How do I word
Because a
this?
ton is a ton.
How many tons of carbon emissions do planes release annually?
Ooh, that's probably crazy. That's
Yeah,
that's
international.
That's 38 million.
Okay, what about you?
20 million.
It's 35 billion.
What?
Billion?
Yeah, get clocked. This one's just a yes or no. How damaging is oil mining? Can the surrounding area recover easily?
No, it's terrible. So bad.
Okay,
Like fracking?
just like mining. Yeah, open
Yeah, it's
it.
terrible.
Perfect.
Now, as the video stated, in the ocean there's 11 million metric tons, and that's that's rooted. The information's from Megan Bennett, and a great analogy or way to view just how much plastic that is best seen in this quote saying that's equivalent to more than a garbage truck's worth of plastics entering the ocean each minute. That is an insane amount. And she also states that majority of these plastics are things from, wreckages, such as, planes or ships or different things like that. So that already demonstrates the issue that it's a subconscious thing that we're doing, but it's still an issue. Us leaving behind trash is literally affecting the world. So we need to do better there. When it comes to carbon emissions, when it comes to international airplane travel, it makes it the majority of the carbon emissions. It's the highest on that graph, and I can show that graph later. But 35 billion tons are due to international plane travel. This also calls to action maybe a reform of how our planes are functioning, or maybe a different engine or different things like that, or maybe there just needs to be more regulation on how much we can do things. And maybe it means sacrificing something for ourselves for the sake of our planet. When it comes to oil mining, there are lasting effects both with the environment and with individuals. When it comes to the workers, there's literally so much hearing loss. Let me tell you this. In oil and gas, 14% increase in hearing loss, and then in just mining, 24% increase in hearing loss. When it comes to the surrounding environment, it can't recover easily because it's literally destroying an ecosystem for the sake of oil mining. For the sake of getting this, it destroys a whole ecosystem. So it's damaging both with the environment and with individuals. So, as I've stated before, this brings a call to action. We need to do better, both in educating individuals about how our actions affect the climate in a lasting way, and just be more aware of what we're doing. So again, we just need better education, better knowledge in what we're doing. And a good way to see this is mainly the doomsday clock, which measures how much time we have before it's too late, to fix it, and before we're on just we're doomed, basically. And right now that clock stands at 90 seconds to midnight. Once it hits midnight, we're at a point in which the Earth will never recover from the actions that we have done. So the call to action needs to happen now. Whether there are reforms in government, in just airplane travel, different things like that, small things, there needs to be a change. So I hope this was an informational video, and I hope you learned something today. Have a good rest of your day.